How to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Now, this method only applies in certain method in which we will be doing it legally without getting patched. So first things first is open up your Roblox launcher or even browse your Roblox via the web version. So right now I'm currently using the web version which is on Google Chrome and heading directly to roblox.com. And once you're here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. The first things first is just go directly to the friends list, which is located at the left portion of your screen. Now, what you want to do from here is just go ahead and remember and simply type in the specific name IGN of that specific person that you would like to join the experience to. Now, in here, what you want to do next is you do not need to add this person. What you need to do for you to be able to join any experiences that this person is playing is just to follow this specific user right here. Simply click on the three dots, click on follow, and you should be able to know if this person is currently on any experience as long as it's not on private. And that's it. That's how you join someone on Roblox without being friends.